A daring noir masterpiece for those who aren't afraid to stand out. An intoxicating blend of burnt caramel, exotic saffron, creamy vanilla, and golden amber. Queen of Arabia by Lattafa. Its notes include golden amber, smooth vanilla, sandalwood, and heliotrope, housed in a stunning bottle. A fragrance that doesn't just whisper, it rains. Royal sophisticated perfume that feels like a coastal breeze in a palace garden. Bayan by Lattafa. Pink rose, oud, and warm vanilla form its notes, a scent that radiates luxury and mystery, presented in a stunning premium bottle. Bayan by Lattafa. Get your bottle today, shop at Dubai Fine Perfumes, and experience the luxury without a price tag.